Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Jordy's lifting air combat system is seamless and equivalent to DMC. Thank you, Bertram. I have nothing. Leave a comment below on what you think would have been the perfect description for this video. Blasphemous's new and brutal Metrovania combines hand-painted pixel art and Unity. Looking Glass Factory had a great time sharing holograms made in Unity at the 3D New York meetup. Hyper Megapixel shows how to get wood from trees, like in Animal Crossing's New Horizon and Forgotten Atlas. Algomistic Air paints Chrome. Ivar Hill reveals a full pre-alpha teaser for Core Decay. See more on the link below. VR Giants releases a big update, and it's a complete change in style. Tell us what you think. Chapeau wants you to catch and defend the Rainbow Human for an awesome buff. Alleyway Games is testing netcode integration, and it looks really good. Support and wishlist skyrocket on Steam by Double Dash Studios. The link is below. Coal Valley Games shares more interactive item systems. This is an app developed jointly with Cisco, where you are challenged to complete different networking tasks by Enrique. Gregor is playing with AR remote control and robotics, and he just prototyped it last week. Sail the winds and explore the strange and mystical world by the means of your gaze. Coming for Oculus platforms, check out Mare by Vision Trick Media. An anime explosion shader by Gregory. Les shares a beautiful combo system Incognito Terra. Finally, Nicholas made this stunning work in progress of a VFX for the real-time VFX sketch contest. Good luck! This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.